This is how the Nunar campus of our university looks like in snow. Very small department, but it's the Department of Life Sciences. Only 3 departments lie inside it. That's why it's small. No, 4 departments actually. Let's keep moving. And if someone wanna come Kashmir, wanna enjoy these views, definitely get in your admission in the Central University of Kashmir, because you get to cycle in this climate. You will be like in Switzerland, it will be like in America. Sam is here, and see, okay, give the exam of CUT, UG and PG, you can get admission to these beautiful campuses and you can enjoy these views.